Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm? Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans stalk. A hearty laugh is the best medicine, and today we're turning you into the doctor. Welcome to the humorous world where we'll be mastering the art of making people roll on the floor laughing. We'll delve into humor fundamentals, storytelling hacks, and practice techniques. So fasten your seatbelts, folks, as we're about to embark on a laughter-filled journey. Humor is like a cake. It needs the right ingredients to rise and make people smile. So what are these ingredients? Well, 3 key ones are timing, delivery, and content. Imagine telling a joke at a funeral. Pretty off timing, right? Or mumbling a punchline while everyone's laughing at the previous joke. That's poor delivery, mate. And content, well, that's like the flour in our cake. It's the backbone of any joke. It's the difference between why did the chicken cross the road and why did the kangaroo cross the outback. It's all about context, my friends. Remember, timing is the yeast that makes the humor cake rise. Now, before we dive further, let's talk about The Woman Men Adore, a book that unlocks secrets to captivate any man's heart. A treasure trove of charm, allure, and irresistible magnetism. It's the key to love you've been searching for. Don't wait. Discover it today. Click the link in the description below to get your copy of The Woman Men Adore today. Ever heard of the phrase, laughter is the best medicine? Well, storytelling is the spoon that delivers that medicine. Let's dive into some storytelling techniques that maximize laughs. First up, we have exaggeration. It's like taking a small molehill and turning it into a majestic mountain. Surprise is another key ingredient. It's like a jack-in-the-box, unexpected yet delightfully funny. And then we have relatability. Sharing experiences that resonate with your audience can turn even a mundane story into a comic masterpiece. With these storytelling hacks, you're one step closer to becoming the laughter doctor. If humor is a muscle, then practice is the gym. You know, stand-up comedy isn't just about showing up and hoping the laughs will follow. It's about rehearsing routines, refining jokes, and even bombing on stage a few times. Yes, that's right. Even the greats like George Carlin and Kevin Hart had their share of silent audiences. But did they give up? Heck no. They used these experiences to perfect their craft, to find that sweet spot of timing, delivery, and content that leaves audiences in stitches. So keep flexing those humor muscles and soon, you'll be the Arnold Schwarzenegger of comedy. All right, folks, it's time to wrap up this laughter-filled journey. We've learned a lot, haven't we? From the fundamentals of humor like the fine art of slipping on a banana peel to storytelling hacks that can make even a tax return sound hilarious. And let's not forget the golden rule. Practice makes perfect. So get out there and start cracking those jokes, sharing your infectious laughter with everyone around you. Remember, every day is a good day for a chuckle. So go ahead, make the world your comedy stage. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more laughter lessons.